Well, we'll turn it over first, like you said, and build up pressure. Go ahead. It's coming up. Okay. You still filming?
Yep.
Oh. Go ahead and hit power to it. I'll run this in.
Power to gas?
Yeah, to that's ignition and everything.
Okay.
Is what that is going to be. Go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah. Let it break. You were up to 70 pounds oil pressure.
Oh wow. I think that's
These are all right.
That's gonna move. Yeah. Well, you might check. This is 1, right?
Yeah. 1.
Yeah, that was 1 and 2 were right.
Well, I heard it pop a little bit on there.
Yeah, I know. I like them to pop a little better though.
Yeah. You got this to tighten that down with when
Yeah.
it gets there? Okay.
Yeah, well, you can't hardly move it anyway.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead and try again. Where is this thing off? Go ahead.
Be a rat nest in that muffler. It's sitting around a long time.